Hi friends, welcome to Whisper and Learn channel, where you practice English and learn important life lessons. Every video has a story to help you improve your listening skills. These stories are simple, clear, and perfect for beginners. Learning English doesn't have to be hard. With stories, it's fun and easy. Are you ready to listen, learn, and grow? Let's start the story together now.
It was a sunny morning in the small town of Willow Creek. The air was fresh and the streets were quiet. Liam, a teenager with messy brown hair and a curious nature, was walking to the corner store to buy some snacks. He liked mornings because they felt full of possibilities. As Liam walked down the street, he saw something on the ground. It was a brown leather wallet. He looked around, but no one was nearby. He picked it up and opened it. Inside, there was some cash, a few credit cards, and an ID card. The ID card had a picture of a man who looked about 60 years old. The name on the card was Mr. Edward Turner. Liam thought for a moment. He wondered what to do. Should I keep the wallet or try to find this man? He asked himself. Liam looked at the cash. It was a lot of money. There were 10 $100 bills. He stared at them for a long time, feeling a mixture of temptation and guilt. His mind wandered as he thought about all the things he could do with the money. He could finally buy the cool headphones he had been saving for. He could pay back his older brother, who had lent him money last month. Or maybe he could save it for something big, like a bike or a gaming console. The thought of keeping the money made his heart race. Nobody would know, he whispered to himself. It's just lying here on the street. Maybe it's a sign that I'm supposed to have it. But as soon as the thought crossed his mind, a wave of guilt followed. He thought about the man in the photo on the ID card. This money belongs to Mr. Turner, Liam said quietly, almost as if to convince himself. He imagined how worried Mr. Turner must be, realizing his wallet was gone. Perhaps that money was meant for something important, like groceries or a special gift for someone he cared about. Liam took a deep breath and closed the wallet. He shook his head, trying to clear away the selfish thoughts. It's not mine, he said firmly. I can't keep it. Liam decided to find Mr. Turner and return the wallet. He felt it was the right thing to do. But he did not know where to start. The ID card only had a name and a picture. There was no phone number or address. Liam walked to the corner store and asked the cashier if she knew Mr. Turner. She shook her head. Then he asked a few people on the street, but no one seemed to know him. Liam felt a little frustrated. "This is harder than I thought," he said to himself. But he did not give up. He decided to check the wallet again. Maybe there was a clue he had missed. In a small pocket, he found a folded piece of paper. It was an old receipt from a coffee shop. The name of the shop was the Cozy Corner Cafe. The receipt had yesterday's date on it. Liam smiled. Maybe Mr. Turner goes there often, he thought. Liam walked to the Cozy Corner Cafe. It was a small, warm place with wooden tables and friendly staff. The smell of coffee filled the air. He showed the wallet to the waitress and asked if she knew Mr. Turner. The waitress smiled. Yes, Mr. Turner comes here every morning. He usually sits by the window and reads the newspaper. Do you know where he lives? Liam asked. The waitress thought for a moment. I think he lives a few blocks away on Maple Street. He often talks about his garden there. Liam thanked the waitress and walked to Maple Street. He looked at each house carefully, hoping to find a clue. Finally, he saw a small house with a beautiful garden full of flowers. A mailbox near the house had the name Turner written on it. Liam walked up to the door and knocked. After a few moments, an older man opened the door. He had gray hair and a kind smile. Good morning. Are you Mr. Edward Turner? Liam asked. The man nodded. Yes, I am. How can I help you? Liam held up the wallet. I found your wallet on the street. I wanted to return it to you. Mr. Turner's eyes widened. Oh my, I didn't even realize I had lost it. Thank you so much. He took the wallet and checked inside. Everything is here. The cash, the cards, everything. You are very honest? Liam smiled. It was the right thing to do. I couldn't keep something that wasn't mine. Mr. Turner invited Liam inside for a cup of tea. The house was cozy with old furniture and pictures of family on the walls. Mr. Turner told Liam about his life. He had worked as a teacher for 40 years and now spent his days gardening and reading. You have a good heart, Mr. Turner said. Most people would have taken the money, but you chose honesty. Liam felt proud of himself. I believe honesty is always the best policy. It's important to do the right thing, even when no one is watching. Before Liam left, Mr. Turner gave him a small potted plant as a thank you gift. This is for your kindness, he said. Every time you see it, remember that good deeds bring good things. Liam walked home with a smile on his face and the plant in his hands. The cool afternoon breeze brushed his cheeks, and the gentle rustle of leaves in the trees seemed to echo his light-hearted mood. He felt a deep sense of peace, knowing that he had done the right thing. Along the way, he passed neighbors who greeted him warmly. He held the little plant carefully, almost as if it were a treasure. When he reached his home, he took a moment to admire the plant. Its green leaves were vibrant, and its tiny buds promised beautiful flowers in the future. It felt like more than a gift. It was a symbol of something bigger. Liam placed the plant on his windowsill where the sunlight streamed in. It was the perfect spot. As he stepped back, he thought about everything that had happened. He imagined Mr. Turner sitting in his cozy house, feeling relieved and grateful. Liam couldn't help but smile. He realized that the happiness he felt wasn't just from returning the wallet. It was from the connection he had made, the kindness he had shown, and the trust he had earned. The little plant on the windowsill became a daily reminder of that moment. Each morning as Liam watered it, he felt a renewed sense of purpose. Honesty, he realized, might not always be the easiest choice. Sometimes it required effort and sacrifice, but it brought something far more valuable: trust, respect, and a sense of pride. In a world where it was so easy to take shortcuts or make selfish choices, Liam knew he had chosen the right path. And from that day on, whenever he saw the little plant thriving on his windowsill, he remembered the warm smile of Mr. Turner and the feeling of doing the right thing. It was a small act, but it had left a big mark on his heart. Honesty is not just a policy, it is a way of life, Liam thought. And it made the world a little brighter, one good deed at a time.
Thank you so much for watching today's story. We hope you enjoyed practicing your English with us. Remember, every day is a chance to improve your skills. Keep listening to English stories and learning life lessons. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a new story. We can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep learning, stay positive, and see you soon.